Okay, Mr. Castillo, I'm going to show you really quickly. Okay, I hope the mic is working. I'm going to show you really quickly how to create an assignment. So if you look here at my GradeSpeed dashboard, I've selected not my homeroom, but one of my content classes. And then I'm going to go up here to this plus sign that is on the right side. So I hit the plus sign here. You're going to want to pick this blue basic assignment as your default. So you want to create a blue basic assignment there. So you're going to put the assignment name in that box, like test or whatever. Assign your category from the drop down. Unclick the box that says submit student work online. You can change the due date if you need to. And then change where it says display to students and parents from immediately to I did on a specific date. And I did it on the 4th of September. So then the last thing you need to do to create this is to go to class students up at the top, click on the pencil, and click all the rest of your sections so that it will create the assignment in all 4 sections, not just one, and then click OK. So once you've done that, you're going to go down to the bottom where it says Save and Close. So it saves and closes it. Then you're going to go on the left-hand side to where it says Grading, and you're going to click on Score Sheet. And so once you've done that there, okay, it takes it a second. So come on. It's slow. Okay, so here's my score sheet. So you can see the 3 I already put in. Here is the one I just did. Click in the top box, go down, just putting in the grades and hitting enter. And then down at the bottom, you can see the green save button when you're done. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped.